Hi, and welcome to Coolfixin. This video will teach you how to repair a loose outlet or a loose switch. Before beginning this repair, go to the fuse box and turn off the power to the switch or outlet. As you can see, the top of this outlet is very loose and unsafe. These 4 circular tabs are called mounting brackets. They are supposed to fit over your wall. The bottom of this outlet is fine because the mounting brackets are correctly above the drywall, but the top mounting brackets do not touch the drywall. We can use a shim and an outlet cover to repair this problem. This shim has been marked so that its length is 3/8 inches and its width is just a bit less than the width of the outlet cover. Take a hammer and chisel and cut this shim as marked. Take the cut shim and place it between the mounting bracket and the drywall. Tighten the outlet. As you can see, it is no longer loose. Next, put on the outlet cover. Notice there is a small gap where you place the shim. Caulk the gap and your loose outlet repair is complete. Please check out other tutorials from Coolfixin. Thanks for watching.